Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you difference between Akiflow versus Sunsama versus Motion. So basically, in 2025, Akiflow, Sunsama and Motion are among the most popular daily planning and time blocking apps, but each takes a different approach. Akiflow focuses on inbox zero productivity, command bar efficiency and manual daily planning with integration from task and email sources. Akiflow is built around speed, control, and inbox for everything, letting you collect tasks from anywhere and plan your day manually. Akiflow shines in speed and structure. It acts like a productivity command center, pulling tasks from email, calendar, Slack, and project tools into one unified inbox. Its keyboard-driven command bar is powerful for power users, allowing super fast planning. You get complete control over your schedule, making it great for people who want to manually time block and manage tasks without automation. You can plan each day with intention but do it quickly and efficiently. Here's the weakness of Akiflow is that it lacks AI. There's no automatic scheduling, so everything must be placed manually, which could become tedious for users with large task lists. It also lacks built-in team collaboration features and doesn't offer mindfulness tools like reflections or workload balancing prompts. The UI, while powerful, can overwhelm casual users. Akiflow has power, user-friendly, fast navigation, and keyboard-focused. Choose Akiflow if you are a control freak in a good way who wants complete manual power and you work across many tools and want one place to consolidate tasks. You value speed, hotkeys, and task control over fancy UI or reflections. While Sunsama is built around intentionally productivity, you plan each day thoughtfully, balance your workload, and avoid burnout. Sunsama is more about mindful planning, helping users intentionally plan their days by dragging tasks into a calendar with daily reflections. Sunsama focuses on intentional planning and work-life balance. Its interface encourages you to reflect on your goals, drag and drop tasks into your calendar, and avoid overcommitting. It's ideal for people who want to slow down and be mindful about how they use their time. Their daily planner, end of day review, and cross app integration, Asana, Notion, ClickUp, Gmail, Trello make it perfect for knowledge workers managing both personal and professional tasks. Here's the weakness of Sunsama is that the biggest limitation is the lack of automation. Like Akiflow, users must manually time block each task. While that's ideal for some, it doesn't scale well for high volume workflows or rapid pivots during the day. Also, its pricing is relatively high considering the limited AI features, and it may feel too slow for fast-paced environments. Sunsama is clean and calming UI with structured daily rituals. Choose Sunsama if you prefer a mindful, intentional approach to planning. You like reflecting on what you accomplished each day and you value balance and structured routine more than automation. While Motion stands out as a fully AI-powered planner, automatically scheduling tasks and meetings based on priorities, deadlines, and availability, taking much of the planning burden off the user. Motion is about automation. It uses AI to automatically schedule and reschedule your day for maximum efficiency, requiring minimal manual input. Motion is the most automated and AI-driven of the three. It completely takes over your schedule, automatically arranging and rearranging tasks based on your priority, deadlines, and meeting availability. It's perfect for busy professionals, solopreneurs, and teams who want productivity without manual input. Motion continuously optimizes your day in the background and reschedules postponed tasks instantly. It even includes meeting scheduling with smart conflict detection, making it a solid choice for executives. Here's the weakness of Motion is because of its automation-first design, users lose fine-grained control. If you prefer to manually plan or review your day, Motion may feel too hands-off. It also lacks deep app integrations like Slack or Notion syncing and doesn't promote mindfulness or reflective planning. It's not ideal for people who value intentional work or journaling style routines. Motion is sleek and smart, designed to just work with minimal friction. Choose Motion if you want a fully automated AI tool that plans your day without effort. You are overwhelmed with meetings and tasks and need help prioritizing. You value speed, efficiency, and delegation to automation. So basically, this is the difference between Akiflow versus Sunsama versus Motion. If you found this video helpful, then leave a like on video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.